This is Greg. I have a sales video here for eBay. This is a Panasonic video camera. It has a switch here for white balance, normal, and adjust. Trigger pull, has a auxiliary mic. These are all the power buttons on the back. These all switches work good. Gauge works. These work good. All of these do. It has a power supply. Plug it in here. You can see the thing work. There. We'll turn this on. Power supply works. Camera comes on. Push the button. It just is a one click and it holds. Again, go here for black and white. When you go to black and white, this needle does move on the gauge. This has a plug-in in it, never been used. There is an iris plug right here. See that that's another one that looks like it's never been used. The lens looks really good in there. So I can get it down here, you can see it good. I'll leave that off. We'll go over here to the tom log really quick. Set this down, give it some focus. And this is the lens. It's a Comiscar television lens, 25 millimeter, 1 to 1.8. And it's made in Japan. It has 1.8 up to, great. All right, 1.8 up to 22, and then 0.8. Flip it over again. It could never be the right, could never just be one turn, could it? It just couldn't be. All right, and that's, and these work very easily. Just, it's a little bit of dirt and dust in there. And then we have this iris here, or this lens here. Nice shapes. Got the little, you can even see the little square thing in there. This just slips right on. It was probably glued at one time, but who knows how long this has been floating around in a box. But give a little spin there. It stays right on nicely. And that folds down. Okay, we'll turn the power off. If you have any questions about this, oh well, I've got a few more things here. Well, how about underneath of here? Let's get some focus. And come on, we squared off here. Here is the. It was manufactured October 1979. The serial number is J9WA10107. And it is a model PK400 Panasonic color video camera made in New Jersey. Okay, and then put this lens cap right back on. And then here is the power supply. Which is the right here, PKA 465, Panasonic power supply, 19 watt, 120 volt, 60 hertz, and it works. Everything works, but I have no way to test the video because it takes this kind of plug for the in right here, that, or video out, I mean. For your video out, audio out, that's a standard plug. It has a pause remote. And this is what's on the end. You got the on switch, power light, and the plug. This will be for sale on eBay again. Thank you for watching. Thank you even more for buying. Have a great day.